All right, what is up, everyone? I am live. Let me see. Just got to make sure and always check because I hate talking and there's nobody there. But yeah, everything looks good. Man, it's a crazy market, man. It never fails. I said it in my last video. So I started with this screen because look, Dow Jones. Look at this dude right here. Look at him. It's all fake bullshit. This is just, I'm bearish, but the activities, the way things play out is total bull. You gotta see right through this. You gotta see it. I said it in my other videos. Every time the market is about to crack, something comes out. It's like Trump. They have in the White House, wherever, somebody's watching the screens. They got active traders. They got technical analysts. They got everything. And they're like, boom, Trump, market's about to crack. What are we going to do? And they got a little game plan just to throw little things out there or to change policy or whatever to stop it. But I don't know if it's going to work. Basically, it's going to work until it don't work no more, So I started with that screen just so you can see the averages. Dow's up 385, SP up 41. At the time I'm doing this video, so here we go. This is the market. To the left right there is my little 1 minute. I like that chart right there better because I can see the action. But you can see how it jumped out of the gate. Maybe I pull it down, right? And you can see how it jumped out of the gate. It peaked over here, and then now it's kind of just trickling down. And something made me little like, okay, so check out the VIX. It was down damn near 20%. Now you can see it's bouncing back up, right there. Look at it. It's just coming up. Now it's down 11.57. But what caught my eye, all right, I was looking at the VIX. I was like, wow, the VIX is down a lot. Really? Because they said they're going to delay some tariffs. And let me tell you something. Okay, so the tweet was basically, I'm just going to sum it up, okay, that, all right, we're going to extend some tariffs, and some of that's going to be the electronic stuff that Apple sells. A lot of electronics and stuff. We're going to push that out to December. That is because we are in trouble. That is because these companies can order all that Christmas shit and have it in stock so they can, so they don't get penalized on it. That was straight up Christmas kind of stuff going on right there to keep the Christmas holidays, to make these companies make money. So they pushing it out to December because by December, all the companies got this. They ain't importing nothing from China by December. They got everything they need, So that's what that was all about. I don't think China's giving in. Okay, come December 1st, they're going to be like, all right, now what are you going to do? We ain't doing nothing, And then we was all worried about Hong Kong, and that situation seems bad. The Hong Kong police, that situation seems bad. I don't know how they're going to get rid of them people without shooting them down. I know that's crazy. I mean, you just think of the possibilities, like it's communists over there. They can't be doing what they doing, and how are they going to take care of that? I don't know. And then hopefully they don't do nothing stupid and we're getting involved and then boom, World War III. Maybe that's what this market's worried about. UVXY. So that's what, let's bring that up real quick because this is what, all right, you see the VIX and it's starting to come down a little bit now. It's down 12.57. But the UVXY is down 0.8. It never really tanked like the VIX. Now this is the Ultra VIX. Like what is this? The ultra short. Is that what it says? Basically, when this thing goes up, the VIX is high, right? Ultra VIX short ETF. Yeah. Anyway, I'm like, that's the name of it? Really? Anyway, if you think the VIX is going to spike, you want to buy the UVXY. And so the UVXY is only down 8.76. Why is it not coming down as much as the VIX? I don't know. I mean, that's like, I'm like, that just seems weird. So there's the news, it tanked and it's coming up. So I'm like, okay. And this thing, the UVXY can really forecast how bad or, what the VIX is going to do. Let's put it that way, because this is like double leverage. Ultra is double, right? I think double leverage, So it's leveraged. Let's put it that way. And so its moves are more exaggerated, so you can kind of see. So now it's less exaggerated, so maybe the VIX is not going to go down that hard. So then I started looking at the market and blah, blah, blah. And you see, so I'm like, well, maybe this thing, maybe they're going to give up this 400-point rally. Let me see what it's doing now. Yeah, it's starting to bounce back. I got a short. I was hoping to call the top, but it looks like I'm going to get stopped out. I'm hoping that I got a short futures trade on. It was in the money, but I'm going to let it ride. If I get stopped out, I'll let it get stopped out. It's almost there. It's going to stop out at 2932.25. Right now it's 2935. But this is a good pullback. See, it went right to support. Yeah, it's getting... Let's see what happens. You know, my stop. Yeah, it's getting ready to stop me out. Here it goes. 2931, 293125. You'll hear it. You'll bling. 293075, 29305. It's basically right above, I think, this high right here, or this bar right here. It's right above there. So if it takes that out, I'm out. So let's look at the bigger picture. You'll hear it go bloop, and then you know I'm out. Let's look at the bigger picture. Let's look at the daily. Let me zoom in here. And you can see the... Dang, I think I'm just zoomed in too much. Let's pull up the 4-hour. Yeah, so you can see the market correction. You can see the comeback, and then here, we're right here. You know, so if the market can take that candle out, now this is the 4-hour chart, then maybe we go up to all-time highs. So, you know, I had shorted it right here, but it kind of ran through it. I got scared, got out, but I should have kept it on because it did pull back hard. And I just think, okay, so we was coming down here, and we're getting ready to crack, man. The futures was down or whatever, and we're down here somewhere, and then, you know, the tweet kind of comes out, and boom, off to the races. And I just thought it was going to be waiting until down here, and I had said it in my prior videos that go down. I'm rooting the thing down. I said it in my private videos, my other videos, that these V bottoms, man, this market is totally manipulated. It is just totally, you know, they tweet something on the bottom, and then when it gets when it gets high, that's when they talking shit. Well, 10%, that's when they just think they could do all of that. You know, just watch, just pay attention to what's going on. When this market's high, Trump, he's bold. He's out there. He's talking a lot of shit when this market is up. And then when it's down, oh, yeah, we'll wait until December. But, you know, I just don't know how long they can do that with the interest rates just plummeting. It's just crazy out there, you know, and just the hopes of, you know, a little 10% tariffs in the future. Man, all you're doing is pushing out. China ain't budging. They would have done it already. And then by December, now you got like just a year for the election. They're going to hold that out. They're going to be like, we're going to wait till a Democrat get it. We're going to make you lose. You know what I mean? So if he doesn't get the economy going, you know, he's going to lose. And then I think even if he gives in, he's going to seem kind of weak. So they're not budging. So I don't know if the market sees this or whatever. That was just all talk, all rhetoric. And I think this 500-point rally is going to give it up. You know, let's see, it's pulling back now again, 2925. So there's the candle. See, I would actually change this but I'm going to keep it on. Like this candle looked like it was the high, 293150. If it busts that candle, it's a nice little bounce. It's bouncing right off support. Let's see how high can it go. I think it's going to take me out. It's struggling. But nice little rally. Let's just see what happens. But I'm really tired of the tweets. You can't, it's so tough to trade this market. If you're short, this happens. Now, it happens both ways. You could be short a little bit, but going up 500 points, doesn't matter what size your position is. I mean, you're losing a lot of money. I was looking really good profits, I was like, I was getting ready to take something off, you know, because I knew we was coming into the resistance and the support, I should say. And I was like, oh, this happened. So I'm like, oh man, I'm back. I just can't trade it. I'm just having a tough time really trying to trade this market, but you got to stay tough, strong. The reason why I haven't been making my videos because I just kept my shorts on. I have big just call spreads on the SPX, like a 2.9, say 50, somewhere around here, down to 2,600, I think 2,600, and just been leaving it on, and it's been making pretty good money just leaving it on because we've been going down the last couple of days. But here we go. Yeah, see, I'm took it out. But yeah, nice bounce. I do feel that I didn't adjust it because I'm making this video. I do feel that it's going to find a level maybe right about here and then kind of maybe even go back down. Because look how far we are away from the high. I mean, are we really going to be at all-time highs? We're going to be up there, you know? I mean, we're not that far away now. I mean, it seems like we've been going down a lot, but we're really not that far away. I'm just going to measure it. Let me see. Pull up this 4 hour, get a better view. So what was that, 30.29 to, where are we at? 29.30. Yeah, we're 3%, 3.24% off the high. That's nothing, man. It's nothing. 98 points. Nothing. So with everything just doing terrible and we're about to bust all-time highs, it just doesn't make sense. So I gotta stay short biased and just until it does make sense. I know for sure, like I'm trading this, I know for sure that I'm not getting long on my regular portfolios until it is all-time high and above. I'm out until we get new highs. Okay, because what am I missing? Sideways action. I don't need no sideways action. You know, I'll trade it going down, and once I will, you know, I am wrong when we reach a new high. So yeah, we could play around in this area all we want, you know, but I am wrong when we reach a new high. Now look at, yeah, see, it took my stop out, and you want to go down. Yeah, it took my stop out right there. Look at that. Now it's going down 28. Sure, man. Yeah. Don't you hate it when that happens? Let's see what happens. If it busts through here, I think I'm going to reestablish because look, ain't nothing till right here. And I think once that happens, it could waterfall action because people's going to be, you know, everybody's all giddy now, but they'll realize, oh, it's fake. You know, they're going to realize what I'm saying is like, oh, it was just a shut up tweet to shut us up, you know, to get rid of. But it's just amazing when this happens every single time. And that is why ever since 2008, we've been having these V bottoms. Yeah, I'm just checking something out. Yeah, I mean, pull back. Could I pull out the monthly? This will be kind of compressed. V. Look over here, right? It's a little bit, but it's you know, that was like right there. That was there a year. You know, just I can't go back any further, right? But V. This is U-ish. V, you know, and so now what Trump is in, I'm just noticing in V. Here's the V. I mean, we just boom, but even if you look at the whole thing, it's not a V, but boom, and boom. And when is it not going to work anymore? You know, this is a monthly, this is a real bearish candle right here, you know. Sitting at the top for a high. Anyway, so let's just see what happens. Like I said, I am wrong. When we reach all-time high and kind of hold it for a few days, then I'll get back in. But I'm just not playing. I'm not going to play. So that's why I didn't make a video. I'm short, and I'm just going to stay. I just got to spread on, you know, from like here. It's roughly at the money somewhere to like right about here. And I had what's killing me today, I think I had a long SPX. Did I can't remember. Anyway, I got them on now. I sold them. I bought them back, and I'm just watching it. A long put by the way, and I'm just whatever. But 20. Where are we? What the hell? 29.22. Give it up now. Sure. Damn. Look at that. That's exactly what I was. This is what I was talking about. So it reached up there. You stopped me out. You got me. You got me. I'm looking at the high. 2932.75. I was 2932.50. And there it is, man. I'm telling you, this is all fake. This is fake. It's and the market's gonna realize that, right? And all these people that bought here, all of these, they're gonna be selling. Everybody that got out of their shorts, they're gonna be like, oh, you know what? Let's get back into it again. So because when you look at the daily, it was really a good time to initiate new shorts. See my little range. We was at just the top of the range, right? We was at the bottom of the range. He tweet, coming to the top of the range. People were gonna short, and then we get to the bottom of the range. Will be another tweet, and until he just can't tweet no more, until we realize it's bullshit. Nothing changed, man. People are still protesting in Hong Kong. I thought that's what you was worried about yesterday. The rates are still low. I thought that's what you was worried about. Nobody was even talking tariffs for the last week or so. So now you're talking about, oh, you're going to wait till December or just a few items for national security? Really? iPhones? Anyway, so I think when they put it together, they'll realize, man, what the hell is he talking about? Damn. So goodness, 29.20. God damn it, I can't believe it stopped me out. That would have been nice. That's 10 points. Ah. It stopped me out on a decline. Damn. I'm telling you, you know what? Nothing hurts me. If you watch my videos, it hurts me more when I lose money that I missed a trade on than lose money. Or a trade that I could not lose money, I should say, make money. Like, oh man, I could have made, like, let's say here, I'm not really mad at myself here because the tweets come out. This is instant. This is like, and then you basically, something and you didn't pull the trigger. That gets me mad more than actually losing money or maybe even making the money. So it's going to pull back a little bit. I think I'm going to end this video and put a trade on because it got in the range here. See, it's fighting that support. I guess we can move it down a little bit where the candles are. Let's go ahead and delete this line and move that drawing. So we got one knock, right? The more it knocks, man, the more it gets close. Two knocks, and yeah, it's gonna crack. It's going to crack. Big candles, man. That's a big candle right there. It's not gonna be able to go through that, and it'll crack. And the thing is, how low could it go? I tell you what. Oh man, I tell you what. If we go negative after a 500-point rally and they give it all back. Hey, I mean, what's more bearish than that? That's like, oh man, that's like super. I mean, what do you sell everything? If they give a 500-point rally all back, and let's say it goes even 500 points to the down, who knows? But that is ugly. That's ugly. Okay, that's like nobody. That's gonna pull the faith out of everybody. All right, so let me look at the VIX, see what's going on. The VIX down. Well, it's down 11. Look at that candle on the VIX. News. You know what? News dropped here. Something's going on. Let me pull up my thing. This coincide with that 10-point drop in the futures. Look at that VIX just rebounding. Let me see if I could pull up some news. If I pull up the SPY. Let me see. Apple, US trade. Oh, look, right here, 1040. No, that's not it. I was going to say they pulled the list up. Nothing really. Nothing. Right here. Okay, I just sold some futures. Getting right back in that trade. And I think we got a nice drop coming down to here. So I'll probably stop out at that same position. I got something to work with right here. Just stay here. Just stay short until it could prove me wrong. Blow this candle, even though that's a 10 point. I don't know if I can hang in there for 10 points. I did do it on the low. I should have waited for a little rebound right here. I should have waited for that. What is that? Where are we at? Let me pull up the SPY, the ES. Wait a minute. What the hell did I just sell? I think I just sold some futures. Let me see something here. I'm like, did I have the ES on? You know, when you do trade alerts, my phone, it gets it all late. Yeah, I just got it. Yeah, I got it. 29.19. Yeah, I'm already underwater on that trade. I should have waited. I don't think this even bounces up to here, but I'll give it till there. So I could have got a better price, but I think we give all of this back throughout the rest of the day. So maybe at least there, right? So we see what happens. But yeah, anyway, that's why I came on. I was calling this ever since the beginning of the video that it's just bullshit. You know, I mean, just tired of it. They are totally manipulating the markets. Just totally, you know. Oh, it's down. Oh, we're gonna hold off on the tariffs. How about this? Trade talks are going well. Oh, I'm meeting with him next week. She's my best friend. You know, it's just, we're gonna lower interest rate, whatever it is. You know, it's just, and every single time comments was said about trade or whatever. Seems like that's the only string he's got to pull. Let's trade this whole deal. We already know China ain't budging. They're not budging. It's just, I forgot. I'm lost for words, man. I'm lost for words. 219, 218. Look at this drop. You want to watch the crash live? You want to watch it live? 219.19. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get off. Anybody got any questions? But anyway, yeah, that's why I didn't make a video. I just been kind of had a short spreads on and just watching it, just kind of just waiting and seeing. See what happens. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Dre. I'm on every day. Yeah, and it's tough to trade this, man. It's tough. Like I say, tough when it's being manipulated. It's tough because it's just manipulated. Anyway. All right, I'm out. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Maybe questions in the comments. Hit me up on Dre Trades at Twitter and Instagram. Hit me up in the comments, and I'll talk about what you write the next day if you want me to. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.